Welcome friends. This video on paragraph writing will cover left, center and right aligned text writing in calligraphy. I'll run through these pages and explain you in detail little later. Now here I am writing the heading with a 8mm nib pen. So for that purpose I have ruled lines of 5 nib width equivalent to 8mm for the ascender, the body and the descender. So the total height will be 24mm. Here I will be first writing the entire text in calligraphy left aligned. So I think after practicing this F, even the F which I have made now is quite erect. Now I have changed the nib to 5mm because 3.5mm will be a very small nib to write with, because it does not give much variation in the thick and thin lines. So a 5mm nib. And the text can be accommodated in a A3 size paper. The lines are of 5mm height and the entire text has been written first left aligned. This is being done so that after writing all the lines, we have to mark the width of each line. Then decide upon which lines are to be written left aligned. Generally, the start of any paragraph is always left aligned. The final work will look like this. You can notice that I have written with pencil the width of each line. Now here I am writing the heading center aligned. After marking the total width of this line, I have taken the center of this line text and aligned it with the center of the paper, and accordingly on both sides I have marked the lines. Writing should start from the left side from where the marking is there. So this will give you a center aligned text. Now writing the text in left aligned. You can see at the sides I have marked A, H and D, and the body of the text is always at H. Now this is right aligned text. Here we have marked the width from the right side and then started writing from the start of the marking. Here if you see, there is a gap after stitches because the line below is the continuation of this line. So I have not kept, the line is not ending till the end. That is where the word stitches is there. I have changed the color of ink. This is center aligned. The decision to write left, center or right remains with you. You can make it as interesting as you feel. Results will definitely be marvelous. I have written the entire text in pencil also, so that there are no mistakes. This is the final artwork.